So today we have a treat, or I'll say I have a treat for y'all today. Our neighbor gave us a ham off of a deer because they had 2 deers, and so we got to be blessed with a ham, of a deer ham off of the deer. And so we are processing it today, and so this is what we are doing, and wanted to bring y'all along to see how we process our deers. Of course, like I said, this is just the deer ham. Usually we do our deers and it's a whole lot more meat than this, so it's not going to be so much today on us, and which is going to be a blessing. So we're going to bring y'all along and let you see how. But I hope you enjoy the video, and as we bring you along to see how we do it. We won't be doing any cubing today. We're just going to be doing grinding. So watch as hubby the bones, well, he's boning the meat off the bone. So anyhow, I hope you enjoy it, and also watch the rest of my videos I have out, and also share my videos. We have a deer ham here that we're processing. This is the meat that we do. We usually do a whole deer, but right now we've got a deer ham and we're gonna do it. And this is how we process for our deer sausage. Okay, y'all. As y'all see, we are processing the deer ham, and we have just got through doing the cutting of the ham, which is called processing, and we've got 11 pounds. So right now we're going to clean up and do a little bit of resting because us old folks can't go like we usually do. And so we put it in the refrigerator to chill, and then we will put the seasoning in, and then we'll put the fat. Well, we got pork fat. We're going to mix it up, and I'll bring you back and let y'all see what we do then. So, but I hope y'all enjoy me bringing y'all along to see how we process our meat. And this is a small ham that we're doing, but anyway, I hope you're enjoying this video, and I'll be right back with y'all. Okay, what we are doing right now, we are grinding the pork fat, and we let it go through once before. Well, we grind it one time, and then we will grind it again with the deer meat. So it really gets processed twice. This is the seasoning that we use to go in it. It's in the grinder being processed now, and then when it's done, then this is when I will start bagging it, and then I will put it in the freezer. We also cube our deer meat, but this is just a ham, so we won't be cubing this. Just grinding it. And we've been doing this for years. put about 1 pound of meat in my bags. Because with it just being the 2 of us, that's all we need. And I also make burgers out of each batch that we do, so I can check the seasoning to see how it is. But the seasons always turns out great. And I kind of just judge this. Sometimes I have weighed it, but I'm guesstimating this time. Okay, we've got the venison processed now, and I hope y'all have enjoyed watching the processing. But this is how we do our processing. So thankful for our neighbor giving us this ham, but normally we do our venison this way, and we have a lot more of the deer. But we got 10 packs out of this, and oh, we are so thankful for our neighbor giving us this. We're getting older now, and it's a lot of work to do all of this, but for years we have did this, and we cube it and grind it, and get the deer sausage out and all. But oh my goodness, we enjoy it so much. So I hope y'all have enjoyed watching this, and we'll watch the rest of my videos that I put out. But don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and God bless y'all, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Love ya.